Hello YouTube, going to do a little video here on an upgrade that I've purchased for my Dewalt XR 20 volt 12-inch chainsaw, which is very good, but it's also a bit on the small side. So I came across this upgrade kit that converts it into a 16-inch bar. Ooh, good bit of extra cutting distance and power with that. It's an Oregon, as you can see, and the reviews on it were really good. It was about 65 bucks. So we're going to put this guy on here and see what we got. I'll be right back. And through the magic of the pause button, here we are back, and we have a 16-inch Dewalt 20 volt XR cordless chainsaw. And a Combat Kitty. Say hello, Combat Kitty. Combat Kitty is not interested. So yeah, what an upgrade for I think it was $65 with tax. But whew, 16 inches is a much more serious cutting machine than a 12. You know, as long as the battery life is acceptable, I assume it's going to burn through a little bit more power with a 50% bigger chain. Is that about 40% bigger? So, yeah, nice upgrade. I'll make a follow-on video at some point after I've cut down some trees and such to let you guys know what I think of it in action. But Oregon's a pretty good brand name, and this DeWalt chainsaw has been very good to me for the year, about the year that I've owned it. So this would be a long-term 1-year review, and I'll say I'm pretty satisfied with it. And, you know, the only problem was the lack of reach of the 12-inch bar. You know, you can't get cut in as deep, you can't reach up as high, but you know, it was good for trimming and shrubs and small, like sapling type trees and such. So I'm hoping that there'll be a bit more serious of a chainsaw with this 16-inch blade. So yeah, freedom by me, out.